So the question we're going to be answering today, is it too late to invest in a crypto? Because, a lot of people are saying that it's too expensive. It's out of their league. They can't afford it anymore. So we're going to give you some examples and you're going to let us know what you think in the comments. Stay tuned. What's up, my fellow investors? My name is Mike.
My name is John.
And we are Crypto Logic, the #1 podcast that keeps you informed on what, how, and most importantly, why to invest in cryptocurrency. Now, guys, I really want to show you guys this article because, as we all know, Jamie Dimon is very, very critical about cryptocurrency. Now, in this article posted by CoinDesk, it says JP Morgan job post hints at bank's broader cryptocurrency ambitions. The mega bank, the mega bank is on the hunt for its first crop of crypto savvy employees. Experienced with Bitcoin and Ethereum is a huge plus. Now, why am I actually bringing you this article, and how does it correlate to the title about is it too late to invest in crypto and is it too expensive? Well, you guys have to realize crypto is just beginning. Like, yes, we know that Bitcoin started in 2009 and people have been investing in the crypto since then. But theoretically, we are still very early in crypto. And this should be a telltale sign to let you really know what's actually going on. Because in reality, right, if you were to say XRP is too expensive right now, right, it's at $1 or trading at 90 cents or whatever it's at right now. I haven't looked at it. But say XRP is at $1. But people are projecting XRP to be at $10, $100. Some are even saying it's going to $1,000. So if you ask yourself, is it too expensive to get in now? I would probably say no. Mm-hmm. So, John, in your opinion, as I scroll down here, man, it says JP Morgan Chase is on the hunt for crypto savvy candidates to fill a growing number of digital assets crossover jobs. In your opinion, do you think that it's actually too late to invest into crypto? Do you think it's honestly too expensive for people to get in?
It's still early. As you could see, these large corporations and institutions are starting to adopt it. When initially back then it was, no, it's a fraud, it's a scam. Now
and they're still pushing that narrative. They're still pushing that.
Behind the scenes, they're making moves to get in while everyone's still FUDing over, FOMOing over meme coins and all these tokens that aren't going to be around probably when regulation kicks in.
Right.
So they're already packing their bags. They're getting people that are aware of the game, that know how to play the game of crypto, that understand the blockchain technology and all that stuff. So they're starting to get prepared for the mass adoption, which is, in my opinion, going to happen in the next few years, like 2025 or so.
Right.
So by then, they're already going to be, okay, we already got hired some people that have been involved in crypto for a while. They're just setting the stage. So when people, before you know it, everyone's going to be using cryptocurrencies, digital payments.
I totally agree with that.
And there's like another part of news that furthermore expands on that too.
Yeah. This article right here is from jpmorgan.com. It says JP Morgan creates a digital coin for payments. Now, if cryptocurrency was a fraud or it wasn't actually a thing, why would JP Morgan Chase be making a digital coin?
JPM, yeah, they're making a blockchain.
Why would they make their own coin? Why would they make their blockchain? But it's not just Chase. Look, it's Wells Fargo as well. Wells Fargo, U.S. bank, sets to offer crypto fund to rich clients.
Yeah.
Come on, guys. Are you guys seeing the narrative right now? So when someone asked me, because someone asked me in the comments, is it too late for me to invest in a crypto? That's why we have the title that we have today. My answer to them is no. Now, we are not financial advisors. We can't financially advise you on anything, but in our opinion, it's not too late. Some people asked if Bitcoin was too expensive at 60,000. Some people would say, yeah, I can't afford 60,000 for one Bitcoin. But some people are like, bro, Bitcoin is projected to be at least minimum 100,000. Some people are saying more than that. Nobody actually really knows. It's all speculative at the end of the day. But do as they do and not as they say. If all of these big corporations, if crypto was just supposed to just go away tomorrow or, not be a real thing, why are multi-billion-dollar companies creating blockchains, getting their rich clients into crypto funds? The guy who owns or runs JP Morgan Chase
Jamie Dimon.
Jamie Dimon was bashing it just left and right, just every time he gets. Yet they're creating their own coin, their own blockchain. Come on, guys, you have to see the narrative here. You have to see the narrative here.
It's behind the scenes. They're making their moves, packing their bags. Other corporations and other banks are partnering with current tokens right now. So the fundamental tokens that we talk about. So if you do your research, we'll do our best to bring in the news. You can see that there's other tokens out there like XRP, XLM. They're partnering with other countries around the world. All their banks, India, Africa, like a lot of these countries. The Latin Americas, the UK area. They're partnering with these current currencies that are fundamental, that are trading at like 30 cents right now, 70 cents right now.
Yeah.
And then when right now it's all speculative, but when utility kicks in, which is what these tokens are being used, what they're designed for,
right?
That's when the price is going to appreciate, and then that's when you start seeing those numbers that you see in the stock market: $30, $100, $300.
Yeah.
Some even hit $1,000 depending on how powerful that, which is like those XRPs, the XLMs, the V chains. Like those are the tokens that have potential to hit those high numbers. ADA, you see it with Ethereum, you see it with Bitcoin. Those are the OGs in a sense.
Yeah.
So you can see how once everything is fully fully go on crypto, you can see how the price
crazy it's gonna be, guys.
There's so many out there to choose from.
It's crazy to think about. It's crazy to fathom. But that's why on our channel we love to tell you guys to do your own research, because it's very, very important. We dug in to find this information, though it's public information. We still went out and looked for it to find, what's actually really going on in the crypto space, and that's what we are trying to teach to you guys, because then nobody can put blinders and tell you that the sky is blue or the sky is orange when the sky is blue. It's just with crypto, since it's being so new and a lot more people are kind of getting into it now, there's a lot of people just giving misinformation. I mean, even us, like, we're only human. We're probably going to make mistakes. We're probably going to say something and you're going to be like, I don't think that's right. And, we're not doing this so we can create robots so you guys can be like, oh yeah, Mike and John, they know exactly what they're talking about. I'm only going to listen to them and nobody else. Like, no, we want you guys to take the information that we found. We'll leave all the links for what we found in the description down below so you guys can check them for yourselves and do your own research. So you guys never can say, nobody told me to do this and I ended up doing this. You know what I'm saying? Like, if we tell you, like we always tell you about our Smegmars videos, we're invested into Smegmars. We really are bullish on that project, but we're never going to tell you to definitively get into Smegmars. We're going to give you the yeses, the goods, the pros, the cons. We're going to give you everything. And then it's up to you to do your own research and figure out if that's something you want to get behind. Because at the end of the day, we're all human and we make mistakes. So guys, the narrative that everyone is trying to push right now about crypto being bad, it's used on a black market, it's you're going to lose a whole bunch of money, volatility, all this stuff.
They're confusing with
They're just confusing you guys. It's just a way so you can be like, you know what? I can't get into this.
Stay out of it.
I can't get into this right now. Like, Bitcoin's at 60,000 and then one day it drops all the way to 30 and then a bunch of people lost a whole bunch of money. Like, no, I can't get into crypto. That's what they want you guys to see. But if you really do your research and you really look at what we're showing you, the news that we're bringing to you guys, you'll realize that crypto's not going anywhere. And in the next few years, only time will tell, but I see crypto even getting more and more adopted. Wouldn't you agree, John?
Yeah, I think it's going to happen, and it's going to happen fast. It's going to happen at a point where people don't even know what's going on, since your company where you work at is just going to start paying you in digital payments.
Yeah.
Or they're going to offer you to sign up. A lot of places, like you go to the movie theaters, most of them don't even accept cash anymore.
Yeah, that's the crazy part. That's actually
a lot
the
of places
crazy
don't
part.
accept cash. They don't want cash anymore.
It's AMC, I think, right?
Yeah, they don't want cash. A lot of places don't want cash anymore. Just pay with credit, debit. It's already getting you accustomed to digital payments, and all these places are accepting coins. Dogecoin and all that stuff.
I'm
So
interested to know like what it's going to be like. How are they going to how they're going to make it to where it's easy for, the older generation, because like the
yeah,
older money, the ones that don't really understand technology like that, or maybe a little bit slower than majority of the, people our age. I wonder how they're going to actually,
yeah,
do that. How are they going to put them on that program?
that
That's going
will
to be
be
pretty interesting
interesting.
to
But
see.
it's like with phones. I mean, a lot of older people are on Snapchat and using
Now,
Facebook,
Facebook,
texting. Now they're
yeah.
texting. Like my dad knows how to text me now. I never thought I'd see the day.
All right.
My he'll text me emojis and stuff, and he's on Facebook. And then eventually, technology, the people that want to adopt it, they'll figure it out, and that's what's gonna happen. A lot of people have no choice. But the thing is, it's like if that's gonna happen, why would you not be one of the people that invested into that? And you'll
Exactly.
become one of the wealthiest people because
That's the
you
thing.
invested into what is going to be the future of society moving forward. Like you have that opportunity right now.
Yeah, but have you ever heard that saying, when there's blood in the streets, buy real estate? I didn't
Yeah.
really understand that when I was younger. When I was in high school, I heard that quote and I didn't get it. But now more so when I'm into crypto and reading about crypto and learning about it, and when there's blood in the streets, when all the market is red, it freaks a lot of people out, bro. Like you wouldn't think that it should freak someone out to see so much red, but they freak out. And it just, when there's blood in the streets, when there's blood on the charts, that's when you buy. That's the best opportunity to buy. Usually they would be like, no, don't buy, sell, sell, sell. Because I remember John used to tell me, man, when he first got into stocks, not even crypto, he would see red and he'd be like, oh, bro, I'm losing money. I gotta
Yeah,
get
I
out.
freak
Get
out.
out.
I was like, that's not how. It doesn't feel good because I'm down 15% or 10% or something.
Oh,
I'm putting like
man.
$200 and now I'm at 110.
110. Yeah,
And
it's
I'm like, oh
terrible.
no, I just lost $9. Is it just a bad idea? This was a bad idea. And then like part of
Cut
me
my
like I'm gonna
losses.
sell. Like so at least I can't have that go. Like I didn't understand it. In crypto, a lot of people get into crypto thinking that you put in $100 that doesn't turn into $500. Yes, it may, but
Yeah, but it's gonna go
it
up
might
and
go
go
down to
down.
$50, $40, and
Exactly.
then you have to understand like, okay, that's if that happens, that's actually a good time to buy more to lower your average.
I mean, the
But
thing about
it's
crypto that you guys have to realize, guys, is crypto's not a get rich quick scheme. Yes, can you make a lot of money on meme coins, pump and dumps, things like that? Yes, you can. You can make tons and tons of money. But if you don't understand economics, if you don't understand, how money works, if you don't understand any of that, you're gonna get wrecked. It's just the proof is in the pudding. You just as many people as you've heard made millions in crypto, like the Dogecoin millionaire. I'm always bringing him up, but he's a perfect example. He's made millions off of Dogecoin and it hasn't even hit $1 yet.
yeah,
But then on the other hand, you got other people saying, bro, I put $20,000 in a Bitcoin and it tanked. I'm losing my house. You hear both sides of the story. But the positive one, like the Dogecoin millionaire, he gets swept under the rug for all the negativity, all the, it's bad, you're going to lose money, don't invest in this. But when you don't invest in it, 5 years later, JP Morgan comes out with their own coin, you're going to be like, well, frick, I could have been in that coin. I could have been purchasing that coin. That's the narrative,
don't
guys.
miss out.
Don't miss out. Don't miss out. Once again, we're not financial advisors. We cannot give you financial advice. It's just what we're doing. That's what we love to do. And we love to bring you guys the news. So, hey, if you guys found some value in today's episode, please consider liking the video because it does help the channel grow and it does help, the algorithm and everything like that. So we really would appreciate that. And definitely subscribe to the channel, man, if you enjoy crypto as much as we do and, you just want to, talk about crypto. We just love doing it. So if you guys have articles or something you guys want us to actually look into, then just leave it in the comment down below. We'll definitely check it out. So once again, thank you guys all so much for watching and we'll see you in the next one. Take care. God bless. Be safe. Peace.